Hey guys, so it is a Vlogmas day 12. I have been on the couch just kind of chilling. Let me see. Yeah, it's already 12:30, but I finished watching the Twilight Saga. I know a lot of you guys commented and were like, yeah, it's so bad, but I have to watch it. Could you focus, please? Thank you. Ooh, this camera. I really need to get a new camera, but the more I looked at it, I was like, I'm not ready to change yet. Like I need to change, but I'm not ready for it. But I am looking into what camera I want to get. And I'm one of those people too, like before I make an investment like that, or before I go on a trip or something, I want to get all my other stuff paid off. Like I don't want to have Afterpay sitting out there, or I don't want to have anything on my credit card. I'm weird like that. I blame that on my dad because he made me crazy about like managing money. But I don't know, before I spend like $700 on a new camera, I just want to be like really prepared, and I want to make sure I get the right one because, you know, if I invest in a new camera right now, it's gotta last for a while. My camera doesn't have a lot of battery right now, but I am gonna do my advent calendars. I also ordered some Mexican food. I am on a new level of lazy today, but I'm gonna like chill for a couple more hours and then do some work. I feel like the issues with my skin are in large part due to stress, and I just feel like I need to, on my days off, relax, because I have been lately like stretching myself and doing all these different things, and obviously even just doing a video every day and working is like enough to, you know, stretch you a little thin. So I figured I'm just gonna chill and vlog. Also today no, you know what, today I'm gonna get my life in order. So after I relax, that's the PlayStation in the background. Let me quiet that down. I think today I am going to vlog doing some cleanup. I may do either a candle collection or a mug collection in the next few days of Vlogmas, but for today, I'm feeling like I just need to chill, but I am starting to be like, oh my God, if I'm gonna have videos up for the next several days, I've gotta do something because I do work for the next 3 days straight, and my next day off is my birthday, and you know, let's go ahead and get into these advent calendars. All right, we're doing day 12. I swear, sometimes I look at these and I'm like, that number's not there. Here we go. And we got the Ultra Repair Cream. This looks like it's scented, oh, honeysuckle. But that's what it looks like. Look at that. What are those? S'mores, I think. I think they're s'mores. Oh, they're kind of tough. Let me tell y'all what I just did. So my camera died, so I pulled out my phone and I'm like talking to you guys, opening the thing, and then I realized I'm just pointing my camera and never hit record. Anyway, I'm on my phone now. So my camera died super quick, like 26% to dead in 5 minutes, but you know, whatever. So the next thing in here is the Prey Throat and Décolleté Cream. I mean, really, you're not putting it in your throat, more like on your neck, but who's nitpicky? I am. So this is Throat and Décolleté Cream. So I'm actually intrigued to try this. I feel like starting to firm up that area is something we should do early, so I'm gonna give this a shot. So we got a couple different items. The s'mores were not bad, not really my thing, but I will give the others to Zach and he will probably love them. They weren't bad at all though. I'm just really picky. So those are advent calendars for the day and a penguin for the day, and that's what's going on. But as you can see, I've got a mess here, stuff here. Those are giveaway items. I still managed to not clean this up. Ridiculous. So I've got a few things here and there. These are clothing bags that I'm going to do a video, and I'll give you guys like a little precursor. I think my food's going to be here soon, but my vanity's a big mess. I don't have too much of a problem in here right now, but you know, it's a little bit messy. I need to grab like receipts that I need to save and trash and just kind of pick up in here. A little bit of a mess over there, but not too bad. I'll definitely clean with you and probably speed through it, but that's what it's looking like. So I'll talk to you guys. This is the first mess we're tackling. I have on my Beats so that I can listen to music while I do this and still film, but this is what I'm listening to. I love this song. So I'm just gonna get to work having some coffee in my CoverGirl mug too. So let's do it. So I am, well, as you guys saw, trying to get a little bit better organized, but there's a few things I wanted to declutter. So a couple things that I have just gotten full-size replacements for. First off is the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Bronzer. This little bitty one I've had forever, but it's really, really old, and I used a new one the other day and I could really tell the difference, but I don't have a lot of room in this particular drawer. So this drawer is a little bit packed, so I thought I would go through it really quick and see if there's anything I can get rid of. Just really anything that I'm truly not using. So this is a highlight palette from Sleek, but the colors of like powder highlight aren't really like up my alley. I have another one from them that's really pretty, but this particular one has 3 creams. I just don't reach for it. So I'm gonna get rid of this guy. Oh, I think this is Ofra in the old packaging. It's glazed donut. I don't think, oh, it's so pretty. I don't think I've gotten a new one of these. Well, I've got some other Ofra highlights somewhere, but I've got Beverly Hills, Pillow Talk, and Rodeo Drive. So I don't think I've gotten glazed donut in the new packaging. I kind of do want to get it because I am that kind of like weird aesthetic person. Clinique Beyond Perfecting. I don't really wear powder foundation, honestly. This one's not bad if you're a powder foundation person, but I'm gonna get rid of it because honestly I just don't use it. Now the one powder foundation I will keep is the Lancome. This is the one, if I ever want one, this is the one I go for. It is in 100 Porcelain Delicate, but I don't reach for it often. I am gonna keep it though. Oh wow, this one's old. This is Hourglass Mood Light in the old packaging. This has been gone for a while. It still looks, it just doesn't look very glowy. It almost looks like matte now. Now, which this one doesn't normally have, like, it's not like highlight glow or anything, but this is super, super old. I've had it a long time. I think since around the beginning of the time I worked at Sephora. I've got some sponges in here. Honestly, I don't use stuff like this. Bare Minerals. This is the Fair to Light Invisible Glow. Ooh, that's pretty. See, I never reach for this because this drawer is so packed, but I'm going to slip it in the back for now. I may reorganize in a little bit. I've got the Balm Sexy Mama Anti-Shine Translucent Powder. I've got a Laura Geller highlight. I think this is the one, yeah, that comes right out. I don't remember. Oh, wow. Okay, so it's more of like an iridescent type of, I don't know. I don't think I'm going to keep that actually. Another little spongy guy. I guess at some point I thought I was going to keep those. This is an Illamasqua Beyond Powder Highlighter in Deity. It's like citrine is what I would call it. I don't think I've ever actually used this, or if I have, I don't remember, so I'm going to hold on to it. Anastasia Blush Trio. This is Makeup Forever Setting Powder. Morphe Highlighter in Spark. That one's pretty. It's a little dark for me right now, but we'll hold on to it for the moment. All right, I already have some room, so I'm just going to stick that in there. I've got this Holika. I've had that a really, really long time. I'm going to get rid of that. I've got a Lancome Blush Bronzer Highlight Trio. Candlelight Glow from Too Faced. NARS Laguna. I'm going to get rid of this old Laguna. Chocolate Soleil. I've got a bunch of little bitties. Ciate Bamboo Bronzer. That looks kind of pretty. Josie Marin Argan Bronzer. Oh, baby. And then another, this is Bobbi Brown Bronzing Powder. Okay, I'll keep 2 little bitties and get rid of the rest. What color is this? I have Snow Bunny. Got all these like random ass Too Faced packagings right here. None of them match at all. Bobbi Brown Pink Glow. Definitely keeping that. Okay, so we've made considerable room. I don't know about this milk chocolate. I really like to have one of these on hand, and for some reason I really thought I had a bigger one of that, but maybe it was just milk chocolate I was thinking of. So I've got this MAC Aaliyah bronzing powder I'm gonna put in here. So I made some room, but then I've got way more than, this is Ofra Star Island, and then Ofra Moondance Madison Miller collab. They're similar, but different. They're really, really pretty. And this is the Ofra Madison Miller blush. This is my Charlotte Tilbury. Then I've got a couple Gigi Gorgeous products. I guess I'm going to just leave these out for the moment, and I'll make some more room somewhere else. I found a few things creeping in the back there. Oh, and see, I put it back there and then I never used it. The Rock Tantalizer. I thought about using this for body. Oh, okay. I think that's old. Marc Jacobs. This is a foundation, I think. This is old as stuff. Perfection powder. Ooh. Alright, so we made a little bit of progress. I also have been kidding myself by holding on to my Jeffree Star concealer. It is freaking empty. I don't know if you can tell. There is nothing left in this. I have one ordered if my order will ever ship. I've still got some face stuff right here. What is this? NARS Albatross. See, I need room for that. These are cheek products too, as are these. I have this drawer as well, and look at my mouse socks. But let's take a look at this drawer. The Lovely Cookie blushers. These are really, really old. The ones that don't have the little circle. I have 2 of these now, but I'm actually going to get rid of these really, really old ones, and I think the other 2 are different colors. Let me grab it. Yeah, so I've got 2 of these now, and I'm just going to hold on to these 2 because the other ones were really and truly good and old. Oh man, I forgot I had this. This is that Heaven's Dew highlighter. So pretty. It's literally just like that Fenty one that came out after this one. We got Tarte blushes. I have a bunch of those. ColourPop highlighters. Let's see if this is still good. Oh bitch, she's still creamy. Oh, I've got more little NARS, Orgasm, and this one always makes me laugh. Golu. Golu. These are really good for travel, which is like why I do want to keep them. Well, I feel like this logo is super old. I think like this is the newer logo. Okay, so I think that means that these 2 are basically ancient. Okay, Kevyn Aucoin. This is a blush. This is my Sephora Collection contour. This contour is also really good. This highlight from NYX. It's really pretty actually. Got a couple things from that collection. This is their last year advent calendar, if I am not very much mistaken. Alright, we got another Kevyn Aucoin Candlelight Powder, Diamond Glow from Natasha Denona. Stand that up, and then we have an Hourglass bronzer. Alright, so little spots. Oh man! One more Tarte blush. Party, Entertain, Insightful. I'm getting rid of Peaceful and Adventurous, only because they're old. I've got some liquid High Beam and Posy tints. Also got some random stuff right here. Oh, an old half empty High Beam. I'll get rid of that. Got the Milk Liquid Strobe. So let me tell you guys, after I decluttered my eye and face palettes, I left them very unorganized for a long time. This is not much better, but at least I have them in a drawer. So this is where I put all of my face palettes. I've just got them all stacked. At least this way I can see everything. I have a few out that I have been using. Put that guy right there. So this, yeah, anything face that I needed a spot for, this is where it has found a home. It's not perfect, but at least I can find what I'm looking for. So I've got a little bit better organization. So anyway, face palettes galore, and this is where I'm storing them. I have, of course, you saw that drawer. Top drawer is single shadows. I've heard you guys, I know a lot of people don't like that they are stored this way. I've got a little bit of space case in there too. But for now, this is how it's looking. And I've got only one space. Soon I need to go through and see if I have any dried out ones. Like, I am sure that I am bound to find a few. Wow. I would have thought that one would have been old, but whatever. So yeah, I do have a few new ones that I need to add in. I especially wanted to add, I've got 2 Ace Beauty and then another ColourPop. And then we've got some more eye palettes down here. I'm gonna stick a few right here. Let that sit. Yeah, that'll go. That's a little big. I need to use this palette soon. Put a couple more in there. We came to Starbucks and TJ Maxx because, well, Starbucks, it was happy hour, so it was buy one get one free. So like, I think you have to do that. You're legally required by law. So let's go in. All right, we're looking at blankets. We're very torn because I found otters and then I found this one. Look at that cat loaf in there. Oh my gosh. Always want to buy all the pixie stuff. Mommy. So pretty.